Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of B&B Games. Today we're opening the Big Mac Daddy Legendary Duelist Season 2. We've got a display box for you guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking all cool. Can't even fit it in the screen. Yeah, but let's get this started. Yeah. Get this open, and then we can start looking at our boxes and open them up and seeing if we get anything awesome. Yeah, let's crack this baby open. Right there so you guys can see it. Look at all those boxes. Instead of leaving this huge box on the table, I'm just going to take out each individual box and set them up here. And get them all in screen. But yeah, let's see if we can't get that a little bit better. All right, gonna move these and separate them. And I think we're gonna start with the right side first. See, hopefully you get some awesome pulls. Maybe even get the rare dice that comes in here. Who knows? Box number one. Just so we can pull out these packs. Ooh, we did get the rare dice. Awesome. Throw that up there. I think this is a rare one. Should say Kai. This is a regular white one. Still nifty. Got blue eyes on it. Got our 2 packs. Secret cards. And I'm actually just gonna open up all these boxes so I can get that out of the way. Don't have to worry about that later. Secret card, packs, and we got the blue dice. We got the Harpy Ladies dice. There you go. So it looks like we're probably gonna have at least each of 1 dice, maybe except for that 5th dice. But the odds are still in our favor since we got 5 more boxes to open. Another white dice. Grab the fourth dice. Amazon's baby pet tiger, I think it is. So we got all 4 variations of the regular print dice. Just get that Kaiba Corp dice, that would be awesome. Yep, another Amazon's tiger. Gonna get these all open, now do the big reveal for our individual cards that we got. And then get into opening these packs. Oh yeah. It's regular white dice. Last box. Will this be the one with the Kaiba Corp? Come on, Kaiba Corp. Ooh, I got it, folks. Kaiba Corp dice. Got all 5. All right. It only took 8 boxes. And I'm gonna do these cards. Bingo Machine Go. Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon. Another Bingo Machine. Harpy Perfumer. Garden Rose Maiden. Blackwing Full Armor Master. Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Juggernaut Lieb. And another Harpy Performer. Alright. Some good stuff. Now to get into these packs. Oh yeah. Come on. Some Harpy or Amazon support would be nice. Blackwing Clothes, Blackwing, was it Nathan, Starlight Sword, Cyber Pharaohs, Harpy Leader 1, Cyber Extra, Abyss Actors, Abyss Script, Galaxy Wizard, Harpy's Oracle. This is, we got Rage with Eyes of Blue. Get the camera focused, there we go. We got Blackwing Simone, Poison Wind. See, Thorn of Malice, Harpy Conductor, Luna Light Emerald Bird, Triangle Ecstasy Spark, Flying Pegasus Railroad Stampede, Barrage Blast, Harpy Lead Elegance, Cyber Angel Izuna. Alright, got some decent cards for the first pack. No Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon though. If you want to see a light opening video, go check out B's video. Just posted that up there for you guys. Give it a look, like it, hit that thumbs up button for us. You know, all the YouTube stuff. Alright, pack number 2. Maiden with Eyes of Blue, Blackwing Gust of Back Blast, Kaiba Man, Cyber Pharaohs, Priest with Eyes of Blue, Cybernetic Revolution, Decoy Dragon, Super Express, Bullet Train. Ooh-wee. Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, Blue Rose Dragon, not the Black Rose Dragon, that one would be awesome. Thorn of Malice, Luna Light Serenade, Magnificent Machine Angel, Harpy's Conductor, Incarnated Machine Angel. Let's fuck that up, seriously. Harpy Lady Elegance, Cyber Angel Izuna, and Rose Tentacles. Alright. Power through these packs. Oh yeah. Blackwing Gust Backlash, Master, Abyss Actor, Galaxy Zero, Decoy Dragon, Harpy Lady, Chaos Form, Brushstream Destruction, Blue Eyes Alternate, White Dragon. Nice. Put that on the picture for you guys. Galaxy Knight. Another Blue Eyes alternate white dragon. This one's purple lettering. Got the gold and the purple. Dark Rose Fairy. Triangle Spark, Cyber Egg. Queen Angel of Rose. Cyber Shields. Blended Rose. Fallen Angel of Rose. On to the next one. Harpy Lady, Abyss Playhouse, Abyss Actor Comic, Harpy Lady, Glowing Crossbow, Photon Hand, Abyss Script, Black Rose Dragon, nice. Seems they got Blue Eye Spirit Dragon. Can't tell what is that blue? Yep, that's blue. Cyberlove Fusion. Rose Archer, Harpy Dancer, Cyber Egg Angel, Rose Witch, Queen Angel, Hysteric Sign, Camera's Focus, Hysteric Party, Luring Mirror. Open these packs like a hot knife through butter. Blackwing, Super Strident Blaze, Kyberman, Full-Time Vanisher, Blackwing, Harpy Lady, Abyss Actor, Galaxy Knight, Super Express Bullet Train, Purple Lettering, Galaxy Eyes, Photon Dragon. I did not even go through the rest of those cards. I don't think. Nope, I sure did not. Trying to get through to the good stuff, folks. Alright, I think that was all of it. Now on to the good stuff. Cyber Dragon Siege. Malefic Blue Eyes White Dragon. Did not know that they put this in there. Sage with Eyes of Blue. Harpy Lady Sister. The Ultimate Creature of Destruction. Maybe. There you go. Still hoping for that Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon or Black Rose Moon Dragon or something like that, I think it is. It's a stronger version of Black Rose Dragon. Seems like a pretty sweet card. Galaxy Knight. I have like 3 or 4 of these guys now. I think I got 3. There we go. Black Rose Moonlight Dragon. Sweet. And a Harpy's Oracle. Definitely sweet about the Black Rose Moonlight. Happy about that. Yeah. Let me get the focus. Alright, all we need is a Blue Eyes Ultimate. Will the gods of the cards bless us? Will we get nothing? Let's find out. Galaxy Zero, Beacon of White, Blackwing, Abyss Actor, Galaxy Wizard, Malefic Blue Eyes, Cyber Eternity Dragon. With the Black Rose Moonlight Dragon, green print this time, nice. And the Red Rose Dragon in green print. Awesome! Let's see Twilight Rose Knight, Harpy Dancer, Merciful Machine Angel, Harpy Lady Phoenix Formation, Barrage Blast, Harpy's Hunting, Rose Tentacle, Harpy Harpist. Don't harp the harpist. Galaxy Zero, Beacon of White, Neutron Blast, Photon Change, 62, Galaxy Eyes, Prime Photon Dragon, Harpy's Queen, Mausoleum of White, Focus, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Classic Print, Crossroads Dragon, Purple Lettering, nice, another Red Rose Dragon. Maybe I have to make myself a Rose Dragon deck. Elegant Egotist, a little Night Serenade, a little Night Saber Dancer, Harpy's Featherstorm, Dark Rose Fairies, Splendid Rose, Incarnated Machine Angel, Stair Party. Alright. Neutron Blast, Photon Change, Harpy Lady 2, Beacon of White, Cyber Dragon Siege, Chaos Form, Majesty with Eyes of Blue, Rage with Eyes of Blue, Focus, dang you. Yeah, we got a fusion card. Maybe it's another Black Rose Moonlight Dragon, Harpy Oracle. Not our Blue Eyes Ultimate. Come on, Blue Eyes Ultimate. Know you're in here. Build a pretty solid Harpies deck. Maybe even a decent Galaxy Eyes deck. Huh. Blackwing, Bisector, Super Strident Blast, Protector with Eyes of Blue, Mausoleum of White, Brushroom Destruction, Cyber Siege, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Sage with Eyes of Blue, Galaxy Knight. Okay, I'm definitely tired of seeing you. Mark Rose, Thorn, Harpy, Steric Sign, Steric Party, Luring Mirror, Incandescent Machine, Incarnated, whatever it was. You already seen it. Alright, it's the final 5. One of these must have a Blue Eyes Ultimate. Photon Kyberman, Decoy Dragon, Glowing Crossbow, Priest with Eyes, Cyber Eternity, Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, Super Express Bullet Train. That's over there. This is Machine Angel, Harpy's Featheress, Rose Witch, Rose Lover, Luna Light, Harpy Harpist, Harpy Hunter Ground, Queen Angel. Come on, Season 2. Give up the cards, Kaiba. He gave me the dice and give up the cards. Galaxy Zero, Dragon Spirit, White, Neutron Blast, Dragon Shrine, Abyss Script, Blackwing Tamer, Galaxy Wizard, Blackwing, Harpy Oracle, Black Rose, Super Express Bullet Train. Got 3 of those now. Harpy Dancers, Cyber Egg, Rose Witch, Rose Bell, Rose Paladin, Cyber Shield, Bird of Rose. Alright, the final 3. Will one of these 3 bless us with that 3-headed ultimate dragon? Perhaps. Get out of here, Kaiba, man. Just know you're settled, Kaiba. White Rose Dragon. Nice. Don't got that one. Another White Rose Dragon. Doubling up. green print too. Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. Got him. Number 81, Harper's Featherest, Moonlight Dragon. Moonlight Dragon. Moonlight Saber Dance, Rose Tentacles, Harpers, Lunalight, Cyber Shield. Last 2 packs. What will they bless us with? Let's see what we got. Harpy's Pet Baby Dragon. Blue Eye Solid Dragon. Ooh, nice. Didn't get one of those yet. Galaxy Eyes Photon. White Stone Ancients. Green lettering. Ooh. Thorn Malice. Harpy Conductor. Lunalight. Triangle Ecstasy. Incarnated Machine Angel. Harpy Lady Elegance. Cyber Angel Izana. Rose Tentacle. Alright, final pack. What you got for us, baby? What you got for us? Pet Baby Dragon, White Stone, Galaxy Zero, Beacon of White, Chaos Form, Majesty with Eyes of Blue, Cybernetic Revolution, number 62, Galaxy Eyes Prime Photon Dragon, Blue Eye Solid Dragon, Blue Eye Spirit Dragon, Cyber Eternity Dragon, green lettering. Triangle Ecstasy Spark, Moonlight Emerald Bird, Elegant Egotist, Moonlight Serenade Dance, Harpy Lady Elegance, Cyber Angel Izuna, and Rose Tentacles are our last cards. Our last cards, folks. But we got some cool stuff here. I don't even know if I can get it all to fit, because it's a pretty big pile. We'll just spread the pile out. Yeah. Spreading out the pile. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. Again, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you know when we do no stuff. And yeah, come back again. Peace.